the XM30 Mechanized Infantry Combat Vehicle, or MICV, formerly known as the Optionally Manned Fighting Vehicle, or OMFV, was a United States Army program aimed at creating a promising ammo vehicle to replace M2 Bradley IFV. The program has entered the prototype phase. In June 2023, the Army down-selected American Rhinometer vehicles and General Dynamics land systems to go forward in the competition. These two teams will now move on to the next phase of the program and split a $1.6 billion development fund to develop a total of 11 prototypes each, 7 being for a contract award with an option for 4 more. They will also develop 2 ballistic hulls, turrets, armor coupons, and digital module twins during this phase of the program. The Army also announced, due to the initial design stage of the OMFV being complete, that they would be redesignating the program as the XM30 Mechanized Infantry Combat Vehicle. From the concept images, it shows the slick, protected, lethal-looking chassis likely to inform the ultimate XM30 design. According to the officer of the Assistant Secretary of the Army, in the close fight, the XM30 will enable the ability of squads to maneuver by detecting and destroying targets at a range beyond the enemy's capability. While the vehicle is intended to replace the Bradley in a general sense and perform key missions known for the Bradley, such as full squad infantry delivery into combat under hostile fire, the XM30 massively expands the operational envelope for the new vehicle. Clearly, the intent is to leverage and build upon a new generation of technologies which have emerged and been refined since the days of the Bradley, particularly in the realm of AI, robotics, networking, and command and control on the move. This is significant as it is not surprising, as the Army has in recent years been working intensely to advance and refine manned-unmanned teaming operations to better enable maneuver formations to survey hostile areas, close with enemies, destroy enemy drones and armor vehicles, and resupply moving armor formations. Unmanned systems, for instance, and deliver supplies and ammunition to forward advancing units, survey high-threat areas under enemy fire without risk to soldiers, and operate as a critical forward multi-domain command and control node connecting manned combat vehicles with aerial drones, dismounted infantry, and even command and control centers in real time. Overall, the concept looks interesting, but might not really indicate that much, as some of the most significant technological advances woven into the vehicle are not likely visible by looking at the exterior. Visible attributes shown in the concept image are reactive armor, small, slick angular turret, and crew-served weapon station on the top of the turret. One interesting question is, it is difficult to discern if there is a ring mount underneath the crew-served weapon station. Certainly, targeting an attack, controlling the weapon can be done within the vehicle with a common remotely operated weapon station, and the MICV is certain to operate something like that. However, what remains unknown is whether the entire turret is unmanned or perhaps intended to support a soldier manning the weapon through a ring mount. The vehicle might ultimately be both, meaning operate an unmanned turret and also provide an opening for a soldier to emerge.